Today I'm going to show you how to delete a vendor using Zoho CRM in N8n, step by step. This is a quick workflow action that can help you keep your CRM clean and automate record management without doing everything manually. If you find this tutorial useful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple N8n walkthroughs just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want the Zoho CRM action to happen, so make sure you're in the correct one before making any changes. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you will add new actions to your automation. From the Nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it, depending on how your workspace is set up. After selecting Zoho CRM, choose Delete a Vendor. This is the specific action you need if your goal is to remove a vendor record from Zoho CRM through your workflow. Now it's time to configure what you want. Enter the required vendor information, make sure the correct vendor is selected, and adjust any fields or settings needed for your use case. This step is important because the configuration determines exactly which vendor will be deleted when the workflow runs. Double-check everything carefully before saving or executing the node. Once your settings are in place, your workflow is ready to delete the vendor automatically through Zoho CRM in N8n. That's it. You've now learned how to open the workflow, add the Zoho CRM node, select Delete a Vendor, and configure the action properly. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8n tutorial.